welcome to the channel. Today it will be another video about Kindle, and I promise it will be the last one. So I've had my Kindle for a long time, and to be honest, I didn't know what the fuss was about until I started using it more often since last year, and I discovered a lot more features that I'm about to share with you that completely changed my mind. And now, to be honest, I don't know if I want to go back to buying physical books anymore. So let's get into it, shall we? I think that many of you are already aware of the built-in dictionary feature, but I just wanted to show you guys quickly because this builds the base for the first feature that I'm about to show you. It is the vocabulary builder. All the words you've looked up while you read are kept in here. The second feature is the flashcards. So when you use this feature, you can see where in the book the particular word were used, and you also see the definition of it as well. Once you think that you've learned the word, then you can hit mark as mastered, and then it will disappear off your list. The third feature is the highlights and notes section. You can access this by tapping on the top of your Kindle and then select Go To. You will see the highlighted sections and notes that you've made in the book. And the other cool thing about this is that you can also see the most highlighted sections by other people. You can also extract these notes and add it to your Evernote or Notion if you want to reread them from time to time. The fourth feature is located at the bottom left of your Kindle. Here you will see how much time you got left in the chapter or in the book. I find this feature super helpful at night when it's getting really late. It gives me an indication of how much time investment that I'm willing to put in if I want to finish a chapter or a book. The fifth feature is X-ray. You can access this by hitting the three dots on the top of your screen. X-ray feature helps you keep track of things like characters, locations, events, and objects. How many times a character is mentioned in a book, or what do they say, and stuff like that, which I think is quite helpful if you read a fictional book with a lot of characters and you don't remember how a character was introduced or what did they do. This is an easy way for you to look that up. Hey guys, it's me again. I just want to quickly say thank you for making it this far. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a like. And if you are even more generous, consider to subscribe. It will really help small channels like this one to make more content for you to enjoy. Also, I made myself a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of March next year. So if you do subscribe today, make sure to check back in with me again next March to see if we can celebrate together or laugh about it together. Anyways, I can't wait to share with you the next feature. So let's get back into it. The next feature is customizable theme, font, and layout. Here you can really go crazy and make your Kindle as personalized as you want. Different theme, different font and layout. This brings me to the next feature that I enjoy a lot more than changing font and theme, which is the ability to zoom in and out with just 2 fingers. This is very helpful at night when you are in bed and one hand is holding your Kindle and you want to make the words bigger. It's exactly how you would do it with your phone. Next feature is the ability to go to a different page without losing the location of where you're at in the book. So you can do this by swipe up from the bottom of your Kindle, and then you can go to other pages. You also have the option to see the thumbnail of other pages as well if you want to. And the last feature is sectioning your book. I think this is good for people who like to organize their books into different categories. So you can do this by create a collection and then add in all the books. And you can access these collections via your library. And that brought me to the end of 9 hidden features on your Kindle. Thank you for making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.